And so looking at Precigen stock right now, as a company, they have their first asset, PAPZIMEOS, which is FDA approved. Commercial launch is underway, and we've kind of seen initial indications of an uptake in patient growth too. PAPZIMEOS patient hub enrollment has surpassed 200 registered patients, doubling since November and reflecting significant demand at both major medical centers and community practices. It indicates that doctors are prescribing PAPZIMEOS and patients are starting treatment, showing early adoption and that the commercial rollout is working. Insurance coverage is also expanding rapidly too. Precigen reported that private health plan coverage now at approximately 170 million US lives, and PAPZIMEOS is also covered under Medicare and Medicaid. This means that private health plans now cover around 170 million lives in the United States. The only thing that we're waiting for are these revenue figures, which should be announced very soon. But when we evaluate the team, the commercial team, their experience, the fact that they're world class, Precigen find themselves in a very, very strong position. Looking at where the stock is priced right now, it seems to be priced at pretty fair value. One of the things that I like to do when I'm investing in stocks like Precigen in this case is I like to cost average down. And that's because it's very hard to kind of really call the bottom. But what I will do is I'll cross-examine a stock like I have in these last few videos. I will wait for a price which I judge to be pretty reasonable, and then I'll begin to make an entry. Then if the share price drops, I'll make a further entry and buy more of the shares, which brings my overall mean price down, and I'll continue to track the price periodically, and anytime that I judge it to be fair or anytime that it goes below the price that I've paid, I will continue to add more of this stock. And I'll make these numerous entries because I have conviction in the company. I will run an evaluation a bit like I've covered over the last few videos, and I will just continue to build up my holding in this stock with this assessment or this analysis that there are a number of catalysts coming up. There's news that hasn't yet been posted, and just based on that evaluation, I believe that there's going to be positive news posted very soon, and I'm looking very much in the future. So I would be looking very much in the next 6 months to maybe a year and a half, with the expectation that there is going to be positive news coming. And so with everything that's been discussed over the last few videos, you know, I'm very bullish on this stock, especially at the price that it is right now. You know, when we're looking at price projections, we can see that the price projections are at about $8. This very much hinges on execution from Precigen. But with the world-class leadership that I've discussed, they have a solid team that have executed in the past. They have this product that's been FDA approved, and the only thing that we're really waiting for are these revenue results. But bearing in mind that they're the first-in-class treatment for RRP, they benefit from first mover advantage, and they've yet to expand into new territories, including Europe. You know, I see this as a huge opportunity. But look, thanks so much for watching. Naturally, I'll keep you posted on all the other stocks that I track on this channel, and I'll see you very soon. Take care.